Imagine how good it is if income tax is abolished in India. No tax means more money to every individual. You must be thinking it is a big joke. Well, it's not a joke. No income tax India is expected to be Narendra Modi's next move. After demonetization of old high denomination notes, the government is expected to roll out next economic reforms and no income tax could be one of them. Let's discuss how this dream can turn into reality. In order to make India Sone ki Chidiya, the golden bird, Sri Narendra Modi has started a fight against black money and corruption. Recalling high denomination currency of 1000 rupees and 500 rupees was the first step towards that. This step was in accordance with reviving Indian economy. The Earth Kranti proposal is a well researched scientific approach designed to completely transform the current Indian social economic scenario. Earth Kranti proposal has been given by a Pune, Maharashtra based Earth Kranti Sansthan, which is an economic advisory body constituted by a group of chartered accountants and engineers. This funda has been patented by the Sansthan. The government is planning to execute this proposal in two parts. Part A is to recall and scrap old high denomination notes of 1000 rupees and 500 rupees, followed by introducing new 500 and 2000 rupees notes. Old 500 and 1000 rupees notes to be deposited into account in 50 days bring around 15 lakh crore in banks. In part B, reduce interest rates in saving bank account from 4% to 2% or even less. Reduce fixed deposit rates drastically. Reduce home loan rate and keep it up between 7 to 8%. Implementation of GST by 1st of September 2017. Abolish income tax for individuals, reduce corporate tax rates and introduce new banking transaction tax. It is claimed that if economic reforms mentioned in Part A and Part B is successfully implemented, India will be like USA. The government has already started implementing Part A. It is expected that by 30th of December 2016, around 15 lakh crores high denomination notes will be deposited into various banks. In the 2017 implementation of Part B will commence. In the new year 2017, bank will have enough cash on hands. Saving bank interest will be reduced from 4% to 2%. In addition to that, fixed deposit interest rates will be reduced. Home loan and car loan interest rate will be reduced to 7 to 8%. The reduction in the home loan interest rate will straight away benefit real estate sector and affordable housing scheme project. The price of real estate reduce and will be affordable to common man. By September 2017, the government will introduce GST reforms where all tax will be replaced by a single tax system called as GST. In addition to the introduction of GST, it is expected that corporate tax rate will be reduced to 30%. Once all these steps will be executed, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will give a gift to Indians by removing income tax. Income of every individual in India will be income tax free then onwards. No income tax will be the biggest gift ever by any prime minister in the history of India. Now a question arises that once the income tax is removed, how the government will get money to run the nation? Well, once all cash will be deposited into banks, everyone will be enforced to use banking system for every transaction. New banking transaction tax will be introduced. Every transaction such as check, demand draft, RTGS, NEFT, credit card, debit card, etc. will come under this new tax system. The rate of the new banking transaction tax will be 0.1% to as high as 7%. Everyone, including farmer, will be covered under new banking transaction tax system. The government will directly get the income based on transaction. No black transaction will be entertained. The strict rule will be formulated for unaccounted money and non-banking transaction. What will be the benefit of implementation? Benefits will be transparency in economy, more purchasing power to individual, saving in amount of tax paid, drop in commodity prices, availability of loans from banks on lower rates, terrorists and anti-national activities will be eliminated, significant growth in the employment. Indian economy and business will be globally competitive. It is indeed of very good concept. If it is implemented effectively, India will surely become a global economy with the competitive edge. As of now, no confirmation is received on the removal of income tax and implementation of banking transaction tax. However, it is indicative that Modi government will take steps suggested after the demonetization move. Do you think demonetization of old high denomination is correct steps by Modi government? Do you think Arth Kranti proposal will be beneficial to the country? I support the initiative of Modi government. If you support this initiative, do support this video by liking and sharing this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel for further update information to you. Thank you.